Guys, welcome to this training, and this is all about how to invest in Google Ads. So many people out there that I speak to and come across where they blame Google and say Google doesn't work because they've thrown an ad on Google, right? And they fingers crossed they're hoping it's gonna work. Guys, Google is powerful, but you need to put the energy, effort, and you need the knowledge to be successful on Google, because so many people, like I say, throw an ad up, drive traffic to the website, do not get any sales or very little sales, and say Google doesn't work. Guys, I'm going to show you the best framework on how to invest in Google Ads so you can constantly repeat and rinse and invest and keep growing and keep growing and keep growing. We've got a lot of students inside of our Google coaching program that did the same thing before they joined us, right? They were throwing an ad up and they were saying, Gareth, I've spent X amount of dollars and I can't get sales, I can't get leads, I can't get customers, I can't get clients. Does Google work? Yes, Google works, but you need to know how to do it the right way. So check this out, guys. We're gonna go through a couple of things here today. So hopefully you're gonna find this valuable and you can apply it for your own Google Ads and for your own account and for your own business. So what you have to remember, guys, when you're launching an ad on Google is you need to understand how to use keywords to target people that you're looking for. Now, let's say in this example, I'm gonna pretend I'm a divorce lawyer for men, okay? Bit of a strange subject, right? But let's say I'm a divorce lawyer. Now you need to think about you and what you offer and what product and services you offer. So now people are going to go to Google. So let's say that my lovely potential customer here is looking for a, I'm not sure he's going to be happy if he's looking for a divorce, but I'm going to see if he's going to be happy in this example, right? So he's going to go into Google and he's going to type something like divorce lawyer for men. Now, can you see what I've done there? Most people will throw an ad up and they'll just target divorce lawyer, okay? You need to get clever and you need to drill down a little bit on adding another layer and be very specific on who you're targeting on Google. So it could be divorce lawyer for men, divorce lawyer for women, divorce lawyer for families. Another example, let's say you offer insurance. You want to do life insurance for doctors, life insurance for teachers, health insurance for single mothers, right? You need to get very specific, and that's how you invest successfully in Google, by getting the messaging right. We teach a lot of this in our Google coaching program, guys. So I'm just going to cover the basics here to get you to have a good understanding of how to invest in Google Ads successfully. So when somebody goes to Google, and in my example, divorce lawyer for men, they will be, my ad here in the middle, which is the blue, is going to speak their language, because I'm going to be understanding why they want a divorce lawyer. I'm understanding this customer's pain points and I'm putting it in my ad. The biggest mistake people make, and why they blame Google and why they say Google doesn't work, which is a load of nonsense, right, is because they use generic ads. So your ad is not going to be very successful against somebody that has an ad that totally understands their customer and understands the keywords that they are using. So if somebody types into Google, divorce lawyer for men into Google, my ad will say divorce lawyer for men. Are you a man? Are you a man? Are you getting divorced? Do you need a specialist divorce lawyer for men, right? Putting that in the ad is going to make my ad be really, really successful, and it's going to just ignore all my other competition. Then that goes to my website that talks about divorce lawyers for men. So that's the basic fundamental process on how you be successful on Google and how you can constantly then invest your money into Google Ads. Now, a couple of really important things here, and on why what you need to consider in order to be successful and in order to invest constantly on Google Ads. Headlines. You need to start thinking about your headlines and not just write a headline because you think it looks nice and pretty and lovely and beautiful. You need to write a headline that makes your customer feel understood. And if you have a winning headline that speaks directly to this person and that person that's using Google feels understood, you then relay that into your ad and into your website, and then you can just basically keep reinvesting the money and keep investing in Google Ads because you know that headline is going to be successful because you're talking to this person. Secondly, demographics. Huge mistake people make all the time. Not every product and not every service out there is going to match every certain age group or gender, okay? So for example, if you are offering life insurance, right, you're not going to be targeting people that are age 24. Normally, are you? Because it's quite a young thing, young age to be targeting for someone that wants life insurance. So what you need to do, you need to go into your Google Ads account and you need to turn off certain ages because you are just going to be wasting money. Only focus on the demographics and the age group in which you need to target and you want to target. So for example, in my example here, Divorce Lawyers for Men, I'm probably going to target people that are aged maybe 35 plus, okay? So they have a little bit of life experience behind them, right? Makes sense. And you've just got to use common knowledge when applying and investing in Google Ads to make sure you are successful so you can keep investing in your Google Ads, right? To grow your business. So demographics, pay close attention to that. Another big mistake people make is like mobile devices, desktops, iPads, right? This may come as a surprise to you, but not everybody, right? Not everybody uses a mobile device. I know it's crazy, right? In this day and age, right? Everyone's got mobile devices. Everybody looks on Google for mobile devices, but there are some industries whereby desktop performs better than mobile devices. Now, what you've got to do here, you've got really clever, and you can only do this once you've started to gather some data, right? Once you start to get some Google data, then you can basically look at what devices, is it mobile, is it desktop, is it iPad? And if it's mobile, turn off desktop and turn off iPads. If it's iPad that's getting you more conversions, more sales, more customers, more clients, then turn off mobile and turn off desktop. You've got to get clever in your targeting and understanding the data that Google is giving you so you can make an informed decision, a sensible decision, so you can carry on investing in Google. I hope this is all making sense, guys. I'm kind of trying to make it simplify and simply put and making it easy to understand, but we go into this in a lot more depth inside of our Google coaching program. And and I give you an example. We've got a lady that walks dogs in New York. She's on her way to make over $1 million using Google by offering dog walking services in New York. And what she does, she has that headline, do you have a dog? Are you in New York? Yes. Targets her demographic, which is people aged 40 or plus, and she only uses mobile devices because people are on the go, they're walking around and they're thinking, I need a dog walking service, and they're using mobile. So you've just got to get clever, get really specific in your messaging, get clever, understand the Google data that it's giving you, and also times of the days of the week, right? Not everybody will buy a product and a service every single day, 24 hours, 7 days a week. It just doesn't work. You need to start looking at the Google information it's giving you, and let's say most of your conversions happen on a Wednesday afternoon between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. Well, then focus on that day, guys, right? Big mistake people have is, or people do, is they just put their ad up and they just run it 24/7. And guys, you don't need to do that. Get clever in where you're spending your marketing money on Google, what days you're investing your money. And that is going to help you get more sales, and it's going to help you get more customers, more clients, and that means you can keep investing in Google. Google works, guys. You just need to understand the right processes, the right strategy, understand the data and the information that Google is giving you, okay? So next thing, big one, conversions, right? Conversions is what gives us this, the big money sign. It makes us money, right? Understanding the conversions, what devices, what day of the week, what headlines, what ads, right? All feeds into your conversions. And by understanding where you're getting your conversions from, where's your sales are coming from, where your new customers, clients are coming from, will help you then to feed that back and keep reinvesting on a Wednesday afternoon, because that's when you get all your sales, or investing in your Google ads on a Sunday, because that's when you get more people looking for life insurance. These are examples. You need to think about your own business, right? So guys, I hope this has all made sense. There is a free link somewhere around this video where you can just go and get some training, and you can even book a call with me. So go and check it out if you think it's going to be useful. And I hope this kind of makes sense, but Google is powerful, guys, and billions of searches every day are done on Google, so it can be a magic tool for you and your business, and for you to make more money, right? So hopefully you've found this useful, and I'll see you on the next video.